Hello, Topilots. Long time no see. And yes, I just came from a long vacation and I don't have time to shave. Naligo naman ako. But I have a confession to make. I have an addiction. But before that, you know that I'm also addicted to coffee, so magkakape muna ako. I have a lot of things to do today, and hopefully I will be able to do it and assemble everything. It has something to do with this. Kape muna tayo. Yan. So marami sa inyo nagsasabi, I should include more videos regarding me, my personal life, not just as a pilot and not just contents regarding the aircraft or regarding aviation, but contents like what do I do on a normal day. So this is it. Actually, the reason why konti lang din yung nai-upload ko is konti lang yung lipad namin. So hindi ako masyadong nakakapunta sa aeroplano, hindi rin ako masyadong nakakapunta sa airport. Tapos yun. So usually nagba-vlog ako kapag kung nakikita nyo naman, nagba-vlog ako kapag nasa aeroplano because that's the content of my YouTube channel. But starting today, narinig nyo ba yun? Nagbuburburig me ako, gutom na ako. Starting today, I will upload more of contents na regarding me, Captain JC, and who I am. Maybe you'll get to see the real me because I don't want to give the impression na yung buhay ko super ideal, super tao lang din ako. Katulad ninyo, marami rin akong mga problema sa buhay, maraming challenges na kailangang harapin, marami ring syempre, mas marami yung happiness. Depende kasi yan sa outlook mo sa buhay, di ba? Pero yun. So, sa ngayon, this is me. And I'm officially saying it to everybody, I intend to upload more videos because I will not be limited to aviation stuff. If you don't know, I started this channel because I want to record my life habang kabataan ko pa hanggang sa tumanda ako so that I can have something to remember or something to watch when I become older or when I retire. And if you haven't seen, I have a video, I think when I was in Singapore, explaining what the channel is all about. I'll put a link somewhere here para makita ninyo. And nung pinapanood ko yun, medyo nagki-cringe ako Pero okay lang, para ma-explain ko lang sa inyo. So, coffee again. Yun. Today, I just came from a long vacation, not very long, but I think it's about 6 days lang naman. But it's a 6 days na vacation kasama yung family ko. As you know, wala dito yung mga anak ko. So I really miss them. So 6 days akong kasama nila. So that's the reason why also I decided not to vlog because I want to maximize my time with them. Although meron silang online schooling, so tapos kung magva-vlog pa ako, mababawasan yung oras ko sa kanila. I hope you understand. Pero today, it's a Saturday. We're going to have first my swab test because we have swab test every 2 weeks para ma-schedule kami sa lipad. So, yun ang gagawin ko. Pero, I think I need to shave and have a haircut. So, let's go.
The Sony A7 IV and see if you guys can see any difference. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're on the Sony A7 IV. Could you tell any difference? Let's do a little side by side here. You guys can pixel peep.
Okay, that's Mati. Remember the thing that I told you about me having an addiction? Well, I actually have 2 addictions. One is cameras and the other one audio. So Sony just launched the A7 IV, and let's see if I can get a review unit from Sony Philippines. I hope I can get a review unit Sony Philippines. The one that I'm using right now is the Sony A7S III, which is my main camera for all my vlogs. Actually, I sold all my cameras and just retained this one, except for the Lumix LX100 Mark II, which I have, and also the Olympus one. Anyway, yeah, the Sony A7 IV. We'll see. Sana makakuha tayo ng review unit once it's already with us. And today, after my TBD, well, test before flight, that's TBD, test before duty pala. So we call that TBD. That's the swab test. After my swab test, I have to talk to somebody because I purchased something that will add up to the audio gear that we have right now. As you know, those of you who are watching my streams, so please watch my streams on Facebook. I'm actually setting up something for a podcast, and all the things that I'm buying right now, I considered it long-term investments because I don't want to buy temporary things. I'd like to buy something that will last a long time and I can use it for a long time. So I'm buying something na I know I can use like 5, maybe up to 10 years from now if I do not get bitten by the upgrade bug. That's it. So I'm gonna watch this review by Matty, and then hopefully I can get a hand of the Sony A7 IV, and let's see if I can add that to my arsenal for all these vlogs. I know that I don't compare to these guys because they are very, very good on what they do. I'm just somebody who is an amateur who also loves photography and who is diving into videography. Right now, nakita nyo ba yung pawis ko? Bumabagsak na ang init kasi pinatay ko yung ventilador. Kapag binuksan ko yung ventilador, para tayong nasa barko. Anyway, let's go. Kanina ko pa sinasabing let's go pero hindi pa ako nakakaalis. Totoo na talaga. Let's go. Magana ka ba? Okay, kailangan ko pala maglaba. So, inon ko na siya para mamaya pagbalik ko magsasampay na lang ako. Ang init. Pero gustong umulan. Ay, nako. Hate ko talagang init. Sana may winter sa Pilipinas. Let's go! Kasi ayoko malate sa TBD. Swab test. Yun. Ay, si Manong Grab. The costume for today. Ay, I cannot wait for the day na hindi ko na ginagamit to para akong Robocop. Hello guys. Okay, we're done with the swab test. I went to the clinic kasi tagal na nung ubo ko. Wala naman akong COVID kasi nag-RT-PCR ako tapos ngayon antigen pa and negative naman. Pero yun talaga yung problema ko pag pag kinapitan ako ng ubo, ang tagal mawala. ever since bata ako. So, humihingi ako ng antibiotic. Sana bigyan ako. And let's go. Sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong bibilhin para dun sa setup natin. And I was talking about my addiction. Yes, I'm addicted to camera, audio. But this time, I realized that I need to buy my daughter a new PC. Actually, mas sila sa Apple, mas gamay nila yung Apple, but I want them to learn also Windows so that when they grow up, they know how to use both system. And currently, my streaming PC, I want to give that to my daughter. Tapos I sold some of my stuff that I don't use, and then that's the thing that I'm going to get now. I realized that I need that, or my daughter needs the PC, so kailangan may kapalit kasi hindi tayo makakapag-stream kapag wala akong streaming PC. Pwede naman dun sa isang PC lang, pero mas gusto ko kasi na dalawa. Anyway, let's go, and sana kasya yung pera ko kasi sa panahon ngayon kailangan nating magtipid, di ba? Let's go. Ganda, pangarap ka na lang ba? O magiging katotohanan pa? Natapos din lahat ng errands. Marami pa akong gagawin. Ko-configure ko pa yung PC. Okay, we are back sa bahay. And like you see kanina, I bought the Mac Mini. The reason why I was supposed to buy an audio interface para idagdag dito sa audio setup na to, sa audio chain, but I realized that my daughter needs the computer, like what I said earlier, and I really don't need the audio interface, the additional audio interface right now, because currently I have two. Gusto ko sana yung 18i20 ng Focusrite kasi marami siyang preamps. Ibig sabihin nun, maraming mic may ilalagay. So kapag ka nag-podcast, kahit na 4 na tao, 5 tao, pwedeng gamitin. But I realized na I still have a Soundcraft mixer which can accommodate 4 microphones actually, at saka itong dalawang audio interface ko pwede ko pa rin namang i-combine kung kailangan ko talaga. And most of the time ang magpa-podcast lang naman is ako, tapos kung may guest man ako siguro pa isa-isa lang. So kung dalawa man yung guests ko, ibig sabihin nun kailangan ko lang gamitin yung mixer, so I really don't need the audio interface. But my daughter needs the PC because right now she's just using a laptop, and medyo luma na yung laptop niya, and I want her to, like what I said kanina, I want her to learn how to use Windows instead of just puro Apple, kasi when they go sa trabaho in the future, at least alam nilang gumamit pareho Apple at saka Windows PC. So ko-configure ko pa. Ito, ayusin pa natin kasi I have the streaming PC, yung hindi pala yan. Itong puting yan. Yung maliit. Yan, but it's an overkill for a streaming PC actually. So I want the M1 MacBook One. It's really efficient when it comes to power, energy. So and the performance is at par, if not better than its counterpart PC. So for streaming purposes lang naman, I think kayang-kaya niya. And at the same time, mas makakatipid ako sa sa kuryente, electricity. So tingnan natin. Sana I will check it after that. After configuring everything, I will try to stream using the Mac Mini. Alright. Ang hirap mag-isa. Isang kamay lang. Uy.